Heat that pussy up before I eat it. Dinner roll. Some people say that me and this money is identical. I guess we go hand in hand. I'm so fly, no family man. Pull up on your block in a motherfucking caravan. Step into a house full of hoes like I'm here, man. I be on my shit and it ain't shit that you could do about it. Boy, I dick your bitch. She said she can't even move without it. All I do is ball hard. Call me Mr. Mall Hall. Buy that whole store out like motherfucker. All y'all, I don't have no friends. My best friend is Moolah. Girl, I swear them red bottoms do something to ya. Put you on the blaze, gonna stack on your medulla. Send you to the salon, you come out like booyah. Now you got the whole crew flirting, your ass fat. I'm too certain that money stack too high. I gotta calm down, baby. Woo side, same old torching that new fire. Fuck bricks, I got a new job. Back shot, she do slide that bread coming in too live. I think I'm Flavor Flav. House full of biddies. Tell your friends to tell their friends that I said come fuck with me. I can't fuck with squares. I only fuck with dollars. If they ask me what I sell, pussy is my product. Bitch, get me retarded dome. All I want is slobber. The game is my son and I'm his lost found father. There's nothing positive to say about me, don't bother. I'm so hot like lava. No toilet, they follow. Me like the Koran, shorty open wide and swallow. Bitch, I've been the man since I came out my mama. Me to my opponents like gators to iguanas. Whip the gun, watch them turn righteous, Nostradamus. I'm just looking for the one, Pocahontas. Beat the track up, skull and bones, sign it. Then that boy float so real. Comic, you get chewed up if money flew up. Vomit.